Most people think money is just something you spend, but what if I told you every single pound or dollar you earn is actually a little green soldier in your personal army, and the way you command those soldiers could mean the difference between financial freedom and financial struggle. Like soldiers, your money goes exactly where you send it. If you direct it to savings, investments, or paying down debt, it fights for your future. But if you let it wander without orders, it gets lost in unimportant spending. One soldier alone isn't much, but an army can win battles. In the same way, many pounds working together over time can build wealth, create opportunities, and secure your financial future. Soldiers defend their country, money defends your household. That savings account or emergency fund, it's your shield against unexpected bills, job loss, or financial threats. And just like soldiers can capture new ground, your money can capture new assets. When you invest wisely, those little green soldiers bring back reinforcements, interest, dividends, and profits. Here's the key. Well-trained soldiers are more effective. A pound sitting idle loses strength to inflation, but a pound invested or allocated with purpose, it grows stronger over time. So remember this, every single pound you earn is a loyal soldier in your personal finance army. Lead them well and they'll fight for your goals, defend your security, and multiply into an unstoppable force. If you found this helpful, don't let this just be inspiration, put it into action. Start commanding your money soldiers today. And if you want more strategies to grow your financial army, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me for the next video, because your future self, they'll thank you for every soldier you lead wisely.